Hey guys, this is Fitness Tech Solutions. Today, I'm going to be teaching how to do the text review in Filmora with keyframing and maxing. Of course, you can't do text review without maxing. Okay, now this is the video I want to show you in Filmora, just like this. This is the original video here. Okay, if you notice it, before the YouTube icon starts to move, the text at the back is opened. So as the YouTube icon moves, just as if it's passing through the Fitness Tech. But I want to do it in a way, such a way that the text behind it doesn't show. So you just bring it down to the timeline, match the media, or you extend it to the normal one. Okay, that's perfect. Match the media or extend to normal one. So what you're going to do now, you're going to look for the place where the YouTube icon starts to move, or is about to move. Okay, it's about to move at this point. Just put a marker here, then match the media, and then just adjust the green. Okay, for us to see what we are doing, let us add a max to this one. Add a max. We are going to be using a green screen, image max or shape max. Filmora made it very possible for us max to green by providing sample colors. So for us to know if there is a max at all, you have to disable the visibility of the first video. Now we can see. Then we have to adjust it so that we can see the effects of the max in the two videos. Okay, now we can now see the effect of the max. It's covering the one behind the YouTube icon. So you're going to adjust it. You're going to adjust it to where it's going to stop, cover the T. Yeah, something like that, and almost there, we are there. So at this point, it covers the T. You just have to extend the frame forward. Okay, that's perfect. So what we are going to do now is that we're going to move the max as it's going to move. You're going to move the max as the YouTube icon is going to move. So this is what you're going to do. You can just bring another green screen, green over here, match the media, and adjust. Match the media again, extend to frame. Okay, when I mean extend the frame, that means you extend the video to for it to play frame by frame. We are done with the one when the YouTube icon doesn't move. The one we are going to do now is when the YouTube icon is going to move. Like I said, add a max, effects, image max, right? To see the visibility or the effectiveness of the max, disable the distance, then adjust. Enable it again, you're going to see it. So we're going to look for the exact place when the YouTube icon will start to move. The original video was done with Filmora keyframing. The YouTube icon just moves from right to left. You just drag it down here. Let it cover the T. Don't forget. You can sacrifice some part of the YouTube icon to do something. So we have already been able to cover it. What we are going to do now is just click OK. We are just going to apply a mask to the moving green screen. On the green screen, come to animation and customize and add. Then come to the end of the video. and click add again. You click on this place, come over here, click on here. This place actually there right now. Then adjust it on the same line. Don't make sure you don't adjust the line just like this. Okay, on the same line. Then adjust it to show where you want to show. Okay, this is the line and something like this. So let's see how it does. That's perfect, right? So actually here you can actually do text review with Filmora using maxing and keyframing very easily without having to divide your video into frames like this. So you don't have to divide your video into frames just like this. Okay, so keyframe made it very easy thanks to Filmora for this work, and this thing can only be executed in Filmora 10. If you want to know how to carry the motion tracking effect in Filmora or how to create a subscribe animation, you can check some of my videos. You're gonna enjoy it. Thank you very much. See you next video. Fetch next tech solution. Yeah.